It's a beautiful day in Japan. It's sakura season, so let's go have a snack in the park. It's a little late into the season, so the sakura are thinner than normal, but we can still get some nice pictures. I've been looking at the cherry blossoms a little bit, and I'm pretty happy with this spot, so let's eat. You know, something I really love about living in Japan, especially in the more rural areas, is that I can just ride my bike a few minutes, end up at a peaceful park. I can come here on lunch break. I can come here after work, whenever I want, and just relax, decompress, and head back home anytime I want to. If you have any questions about life in Japan, drop a question in the comment. Maybe I can make a video on it or I can reply to you there. Until then, have a good day.